This bird couldn't fly for weeks. It was found lying on the ground, weak, injured, and alone. People walked past it every day thinking it wouldn't survive. Until a good Samaritan stopped. He gently picked it up and took it home. The bird was scared at first. It was scared to eat, barely moved, but the rescuer didn't give up. Day by day, he fed it and cared for it. Then one day, a small jump turned into a short flight. At that moment, everything changed. The bird finally became free and able to fly.